Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your product on Jumia. Remember, in our previous lesson, we've learned how to open an account, a seller account on Jumia. So if you are new to this channel and you missed that step, so the first video link is in this video description. So kindly go back and watch the first video on how to set up a seller account on Jumia, or you already have a seller account, so you can get started with this. Here, remember previously we've set up an account and then you've been able to verify your email address. So now come back to the Jumia seller website, sellercenter.jumia.com.ng, so that you can be able to log in to your profile. So I already have an account here, so I'm going to log in so that you can see how the dashboard will be. So you can do this on your mobile phone also, so don't be discouraged if you are not having a PC or a laptop. All right, let's get started. So this is my registered email address and password. And then I'm waiting to be logged in. Okay. So here is our dashboard. So you can do this on your phone, like I said the other time, or if you have a PC or laptop, you can also do the same thing like that. So on this account, I've not set up any product. I've not been selling any product right here. So, but before you put in any product, I just want you to familiarize yourself with the dashboard so that nothing will come as a surprise to you. So the first thing here is the coach. So from this place, you can be able to watch videos. If you click the drop down, this small arrow, you'll see some particular, so you will see some of these links right there: shop performance, so that you can see how your shop is performing, and then some recommended videos that you can watch in order to set up your store and to make more profit. So the next tab here is the tab that will allow you to manage products, create a new product, import products, manage product images, and then to use Jumia Express. Jumia Express is the delivery aspect of Jumia, whereby your products will be delivered from anywhere in the country or across Africa. So the next tab here is the order tab, whereby you can be able to manage orders. Here I've not put any product, so I am not expected to have orders. Okay, so here the next thing that is here is on promotion. There's one thing that after you put your product, so how do you intend on promoting that your product? So from here you can be able to manage all your product, all your promotions rather. So you can even do a sponsored product. So this will be a video for another time, but first what we want to learn is on how to put our product on Jumia so that our product will also be seen live. All right, so the next thing you want to note here is on report. So this report is like a report card that will give you your sales report, account informations, pricing report, and stock accounting. So this report is very important because it will let you know how you have been performing, how your store is performing, what you are selling, where it is going, and all of those things that have to do with figures and finance on Jumia seller account. So the next thing you also want to see here is the setting tab. Here you can see setting of your profile. You can manage some users. You can manage pickers. Pickers are people that pick and deliver your products. And then you can also document templates. You can also use Jumia to integrate integration management. You can integrate Jumia with your website or some other stores. All right, these are videos for another time. Okay, So our priority in this video is on how to list our product to be on Jumia website. So now coming back to the product, we're going to click on the product and then to create a new product. Remember, this is a new account. We don't have any product that we want to manage. So I clicked on the create a new product and then we are waiting for Jumia. All right, so we see right there, create a new product. So the product you are adding may already exist at Jumia. Search our catalog for the product you want to sell or save yourself some time. So if the product you want to sell is already on Jumia, so you might not need to, go through the stress of, adding it to it like that. So you can actually search for the product, and then if it's here, you can be able to put the product on Jumia. But here we are not searching for any product. We have our own unique product that we are going to add. So we are not selling anybody's product but our own product. Okay, so I assume you have your own product that you want to sell. So you just come to this place to create a new product. So you can do this also on your mobile phone. The process is all the same. I've tried it. In fact, I already created this account I'm using right now on my mobile phone. So you can do it on mobile phone or anything, you understand. So the process are all the same. All right. So here we are progressing, we are moving forward. So the next thing we are going to do, okay, still loading. All right, so the next thing we are going to do right here is on creating a new product. We are going to select categories. There are several categories that are here. You just have to follow through so that they can be able to pinpoint exactly what type of product you are selling. Okay, so you can see automobile, PV products, books, movies, music, computing, electronics, fashion, grocery, host hundreds of products right there. So I can't even mention all of them. So these are major categories. There are still subcategories. Now let me give an example. For some people that might be fashion designer, that you have your unique clothes or designs that you've already made and you want to sell. So you can click on fashion. Your clothes is under fashion, right? And then you can come to this place. If it's costumes and accessories, if it is fabrics, if it is kids fashion, luggage, or traveling gear, if it's men fashion. Let's say you make senator wear for men. Okay, I'm going to use that example, senator wear for men, or women fashion, anything, or uniform, or work and safety, weddings and watches and sunglasses. But now let's come back to the men's fashion that we made senator wear for men. And then here you can see, we select fashion here, and then men fashion, and then here we can see a lot of other things for men, accessory, athletic, clothing, jersey, jewelry, shoe, blah blah blah. So we select clothing again, and then from that it's going to load another category, and from this let's look at active to see what is there. And okay, we are not using this active now. Here, if you are selling native, so you can just click on overalls. Okay, when you click on overalls, then you select, we've been able to select categories. It's very easy. So just ensure you select a category that fits to your product. Okay, we've been able to select categories right there. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the product name. So name of the product, for a better listing quality, the name should consist the actual product name, if available, color edition specially. Okay, so from this place right now, you can be creative. Okay, you can be creative. You are the creator of your product. Okay, if you are selling book or whatsoever you might be selling, you are the creator of your product. All right, so you should be creative about the name. So I'm saying that we are selling male fashion, right? Male native senator wear. So here I'm going to use some classic, just as an example, classic mm, senator wear, for example. So you can just be creative, and classic. Okay, let me use classy black senator wear. All right. So one thing you have to know is that when you are adding name, so you see that do not add brand name here. So this is not where you want to add brand name, but you want to add name that will be catchy. Okay. So you can be should be very creative here to put a very nice description of that particular product, a name you can give to it if it's your own product. All right, so the next thing here is on brand. Here on brand, we can see brand of the product. If brand does not exist, so you can come to this place and fill accordingly. So, and okay, let's try this thing out. Let's try it out. Okay, so we are still talking about the brand. So here we have brand like Apple, Chanel. So all of these are brands for your particular product. So for unbranded fashion items, so you can please use fashion. So please kindly listen to these instructions because they are very important. And then for other unbranded items, please use generic. Here, let's use fashion as our brand. So it's very important that you follow these instructions so that you are not going to make mistakes. Okay, if you are trying to use a brand that is not known, so Jumia will not accept that. So you see here that there is model. So if there is a particular model for that particular product, so this field is for model description of your product. For example, iPhone 4S, Samsung Galaxy 7300. So if there is a model for that particular product, or you are selling a product that requires model, that has model, so you can actually go ahead and put this model. So now the next thing here is on the main color. What is the main color of that product? Okay, so can also be a certain shade of color. So like the main product of that color here, we say black. So let's put black as our main color for what we are selling. Okay, so I think we are good to go with this. Okay, we are at product information. So our next stage will be on more product details. Okay, so in this small product details, this is where we're going to add the product description, measurement, additional products, attributes, text manufacturers, and all those required information. Okay, so here we can go on ahead. Details for product specification, for product description, this is where you add your product description. So I'm going to show you an example of how this looks like so that you can see what you are working on and then what you are expected to do. So, and then you see product description and then measurements, then you see additional product attributes, and then you see the text manufacturer for that product. So Jumia is still loading. I want to show you an example of how these informations play out while filling them on Jumia. Okay, still loading. All right, so we're on Jumia website right now. So clicking on, let me just click on any of the products so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here you can see the product name right there, and then we can see the brand that puts this product that sells this product. This is a real brand that sells this product. And then another thing I want to show you is the product description. We are talking about the product description. So this is the product details, the description of the product, and everything that this person actually put a lot of description on the product so that buyers can know what exactly they are to expect and what exactly the specifications that they are to expect in this. All right, so now coming back to our Jumia seller center, you are going to see this same information as it plays out. So this is how to put your product right there. So the next thing that you'll be required to fill up is the price. Okay, so you'll be required to put the price of that particular product, and then when you put the price, and the next thing will be to put images of the product. So these are very easy. You can do this on your phones. Okay, so what I want you to do right now is to try this thing out. Try them out, and then when you try them out, you can send me pictures or stores. Let me patronize you on Jumia. Okay, no matter what you sell, this it will be very easy for you to do on your smartphone without you know um breaking the banks. Okay, so here you have it, the video on how to upload your products on Jumia. So coming next, I'm going to show you on how to use the promotion tab right here, the promotion tab, how to promote your product on Jumia. Okay, so whenever you are selling your products, you'll be making you are getting orders, you'll be making your cool money right wherever you are in Nigeria or anywhere in Africa. So thank you so much for watching this video to this extent. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel and then clicking on the notification bell, and sharing this video with some people out there that we really need it. So thank you so much for staying this far. I really appreciate. So just subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of my products and to encourage me to create more products. So thank you very much.